Hi, I'm Dr. Mansoor Khan. I'm a spinal intervention and pain management doctor serving as a pain physician in this tri-state area for almost like 15 years. I relocated from New York. I did my residency there in State University, New York, in Brooklyn. And then I did my fellowship in spinal intervention in Hospital University of Pennsylvania. Prior to my residency, I also did orthopedics as in-house staff and general surgery residency in State University, New York. I'm also using the newer techniques. We also do the spinal cord stimulator pain pump especially for the cancer patients. So here I am, and I'm looking forward to see you guys. I'm accepting a new patient in my service on all the location, including Evansville and Jasper. So I will look forward to you guys to see in my office.